Okay, good. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Just like you saw in the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to style your short hair finger coil edition. So let's get to the video. So this is going to be a very short video. So without any further ado, I'm going to begin with prepping my hair with my hair growth or recipe in a bottle, some conditioner, and then I'll brush. So just because I'm restrained and still restraining myself from using heat on my hair, I'm going to go with a wool. Yeah, just like this. Wrap it around maybe your legs or a doorknob or whatever you can like be in this kind of position on, and just wrap it around it like at my desired length. You can use your desired length. Yeah, this is my desired length, and you have to cut just one side and the extreme too. This is what I'll be working with, so let me show you guys how I actually straighten my hair without no heat, using my comb just to part my hair because my hair is obviously very short. After sectioning, I'm going to comb my hair like that part I sectioned out. I'm going to comb it and use some Vaseline or any oil of your choice, maybe coconut oil, just any oil you feel is good for your hair. And I'll start wrapping the wool around my hair. Make sure my hair isn't tangled. Use my hands or my comb to just straighten it out, remove any just the tangle, because you do not want your hair straightened and still tangled. You get what did I say? Tangled. So this is basically what I'm going to do for the rest of my hair. Just cut it up, fold it, because you don't want it standing up. You just need it to just relax, like just bend it. This part of the video is not necessary for those who doesn't like it. I mean, it is very necessary. You can use a kinky hair, you can use whatever braids, whatever hair you have at home, just to wrap your hair. And if you're like you can tolerate heat, I mean, I don't see why you wouldn't use a blow dryer or use whatever you have at home to just make your hair straighten up.
One eternity later.
Yo, I'm back guys. I'm finally going to do my coils. So I left this on for hours. Normally I would leave this for 2 days, but I was rushing today because I had to go to church for the crossover. So I'm using my flaxseed gel, my eco gel, and a conditioner, and my hair growth recipe. I'm going to start by packing my hair, starting from the back normally, and just loosen up the wool, comb. Just watch and see. Just watch and see how my hair is straightened without no heat. I mean, it's not as straight as it would be if I'd used a blow dryer, but it did the job. I'm just going to go with another oil, Vaseline, because I love my hair moist. More, this is my growth recipe. I'm trying to even use it too. After prepping my hair, I'm going to go on with my flaxseed gel to start coiling my hair, just like so. So I forgot to record how I did this, but this is how the first pattern looks like. Those white residues will come out though. There with my eco gel, got my flax gel finished. I'm just going to continue with that, and I love the smell. So to be fast and use less resources, I'm just going to use the gel to rub everywhere on my hair and just start coiling from there. As you can see, just little strands. You want to always use little hair, because when you use the big ones, it's like the patterns will show a lot, so you have to just take your time, have fun with your hair. I'm literally just you wiggling your hands around your hair, you know, just very simple. So I'm just going to repeat the process like I did the first time. This is a trust the process with your hair. Like this is a trust the process style. This is also your sign to attempt to, style your hair. Use your hands. Be creative. Do not be like, I have short hair, sure I shouldn't style my hair. Be creative. Style your hair, my dear. Don't be boring. No, this is so nice, and I can't wait for you guys to see the end result.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away.
So this is the last strand of my hair, and I'm done. Just going to go in with more gel, just for the finishing touch.
I appreciate the time with you, but my heart is when I'm with you.
Now go ahead and arrange them. Just try and maybe do some coils that isn't so coiled to me. Just just whatever you want to do. This is how my hair looks. Do you like this style? If you like it, why don't you try it? What is stopping you? Oh my god. So if you like this video and you are here like you're watching right now, do not forget to subscribe and like. It will mean so much to me. Bye.